Hello, Fayetteville, North Carolina. This is Michael Johnson from AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. Here are a few ways to help you with your allergies this fall. Okay, so number one, the first thing you can do to help yourself and your family with your allergies this fall is to make sure your windows and doors are sealed, all right? There's a really easy way to do that. If you open your front door and you look at your screen door, you shouldn't be able to see light around the cracks. If you do see that, that means pollen and other allergies can come through those cracks. If you see that, there's some simple weather stripping you can get at any big box store such as Home Depot or Lowe's and get those sealed up. It's called weather stripping. Number two, your ductwork. Make sure that's sealed up. One thing you can do if your ducts are on the floor is to lift up the grill cover and take a look and make sure there are no cracks going down to the crawl space. If there is, dust and other allergens can come up from the crawl space when the AC is on pulling air. It'll pull all those allergens. You know, North Carolina, we have that yellow pollen every year. We have lots of different pollens. It'll get sucked into the house. So pull those grills up. If you see cracks around to the crawl space, go ahead and seal them up with some tape. We can help you out if you're not comfortable doing that. Number three, you need to make sure that the system is cleaned and the ductwork is sealed. Now, that's not necessarily a DIY thing. That may be something that you need an air conditioning company to come and help you with. We can help you with that. Number four, the vacuum cleaner. You know who you are. You vacuum all the time, but you never change that vacuum bag. What that'll do is when the vacuum is on, as it's sucking all of that dust and everything and stirring that up, since that bag is full, it'll spread through the house. So go ahead and change that vacuum bag if you haven't done that in a long time. Number five, the filter. If you have a really good filter, and I don't mean one of those really expensive ones that clog up the AC and make the AC break, but a decent one, what you can do if you're cleaning up, if you're vacuuming or you're moving old laundry or you're cleaning out your old closet and all of that old dust starts stirring up, go ahead and, of course, put a mask on if you have a dust allergy and turn on the HVAC system while you're doing it. What it'll do is the AC will pull all of that dust into the filter and trap it in the filter. That way, you won't have that dust just sitting in that one spot or in that closet, just making a big dust bowl and causing your allergies to flare up. So I hope this helped you. These have been our tips to help your allergies this fall. If you need anything, give us a call. We're always here for you. Have a good day.